Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this gas camping stove from Rocktrail. Ideal for camping, hiking and festivals. With adjustable flame, low energy consumption and max power output 1200 watts. I don't know why they measure in watts the output flame. Maybe it is the same box with the other model. The other model has light. So with a gas you can have light. The model you can see in the picture. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, you can find out all about this product. Here we have the burner, 14 cm the diameter for the cooking area, gas regulator, orange color. We have the handle, the cartridge holder. Press this button and remove. Plastic, very durable. Here we have the input for the gas, type 200 butane. Insert that inside and it needs to lock here around. So press and it locks. And then you can install that . Take your time. We are okay. It is closed, the valve. Hold just like that. And it locks. That was all. We're good to go. Let's see. Okay, we have the gas output. I like this area, very clean area. With a handle. Definitely it will be nice to have in the other model with a light. It will be very useful. So let's test it. Boil something. Lighter. The maximum. And you can regulate. And we need water. The water was boiled in 5 minutes. Of course it depends on the amount and temperature of the water. It has a strong flame. Always use high quality butane. It is ideal for camping and more. You can use it anywhere for cooking, making coffee, whatever you need. With a cost only 12 euros. In the next few days I will make a video and the model with a light. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.